Hello my friends, welcome to another video where I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT for creating regular expressions, aka regex. If you don't know, regex can definitely help you find and search for specific characters in text. It can basically match or find something that you are looking for. So for example, some very unusual characters in an email address, or you want to check if the email format is correct or not. I'm not a big fan of creating very complicated regular expressions, and that's why we're gonna use ChatGPT today. And you will need to create new regular expression. Just go to ChatGPT and start typing something you want to create. So I will try to look for our match only alphabetical characters. So only ask ChatGPT to create regex to only include alphabetical characters. After you hit enter, ChatGPT will give you exactly what you need with some explanation. As you can see, so in this case we got the regular expression to match only alphabetical characters from A to Z. This will match any single uppercase or lowercase. This was actually very easy, but what I really like about ChatGPT in this case is that now you can just add anything else you want. This will become very useful if you want to create some very complex regular expressions, because you can just simply add the next step and you will never ever get lost in it. If you want to add a next step or basically whatever else it should match or exclude, just start typing. So we have already included alphabetical characters. Maybe we want to include also numerical characters, so numbers. So add numbers, and this should basically keep the regular expression but also add numerical characters or numbers. Plus it will also provide you with detailed explanation. So again, this was still pretty simple, but now maybe you want to check if it also includes the email sign, so the @ sign. So we can add @ and again ChatGPT will give you exactly what you are asking for. And it will again explain everything to you. So now you can see that it will also match any single uppercase or lowercase and the @ symbol in a string. So maybe we can add something more complex. So add maybe add, but only as a first character. And again, we got a detailed explanation and everything we need. So now we can maybe check for some special characters. So match. So maybe just add match. So let's try if only match works. Match like some special characters. And as you can see, again, we are getting everything we need. So this is still very nice and basically did everything I wanted to do. So you can definitely use it for more complex regular expressions, but this was just a quick guide how you can use it and how useful it can become when you need some regex or regular expressions. Once again, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next one.